around the world, but there's one thing you should know. You gotta know the places you're going to, or else you will feel like a honeybee. So why don't you join us in the something on the budget? Yeah!
Hi everyone, it's Dash. Today, I want to take you on a journey through some of the most exciting moments of my life. My birthday trips! When I turned 3, my parents and I started a tradition, celebrating my birthday with new adventures internationally and locally. Some people told them I was too young to remember these trips. But guess what? I remember them all so clearly, almost as if they happened yesterday. Let me show you where we've explored so far. My first overseas adventure took me to the vibrant city of Tokyo. I was only 3 then, but I still remember seeing the Tokyo Tower light up the night sky. I also recall climbing the foothills of Mount Fuji, and yes, my little legs made it. The magic continued at Tokyo Disneyland, where I played to my heart's content. I also tried sushi for the first time. The next year, we visited Singapore, and it felt like stepping into a storybook. At the gardens by the bay, I wandered through futuristic gardens that looked like they came out of a dream. We then admired the art at the National Gallery and took a photo before the iconic Singapore Flyer. We also took a bus to Malaysia, meeting my favorite blue agent, Thomas the Train, and enjoying rides at Thomastown was a dream come true. My 5th birthday took us to South Korea, and it was extra special because my grandparents and cousin joined us. I felt like royalty in a traditional hanbok while exploring a palace. The fun didn't stop there. Lotte World Adventure near Gangnam was filled with rides, lights, and excitement. We wrapped up the trip by skiing at a snowy resort and making a serene visit to Nami Island. In 2020, with the pandemic in full swing, we celebrated closer to home. We stayed at the Crusoe cabins in Batangas, where our cabin by the sea was made from exquisitely designed shipping containers. There were fireworks by the shore, and it felt magical. In 2021, we celebrated my 7th birthday with a mini staycation at the Grand Hyatt Hotel. We enjoyed a seafood dinner by the pool with my grandparents. It was a simple but unforgettable celebration. We couldn't wait to travel again when the world reopened, and Australia was our first stop. This was my first trip outside Asia, and it was a blast. I ran around the Sydney Opera House, played at Luna Park, and swam at Bondi Beach. I even learned to guard my chips or fries from sneaky seagulls. Those birds are quick! For my 9th birthday, we flew to Hong Kong. And of course, our first stop was Disneyland. It was amazing to meet all my favorite Disney characters again. We also dined at Tin Long Hin, a fancy Michelin-starred restaurant, and strolled along Victoria Harbour at sunset, watching the city lights dance on the water. My most recent birthday was spent exploring Melbourne. I played with the sand at Brighton Beach, discovered colorful street art in hidden alleyways, and indulged in some of the best food on Degreave Street. I felt like an adventurer and an artist all at once, soaking in everything the city had to offer. These trips have been more than just vacations. They've been the best gifts my parents could ever give me. Every journey has left me with memories I'll treasure forever. I can't wait to see where our next adventure takes us. Maybe I'll explore castles and other historical landmarks in the United Kingdom, or meet new friends in some far-off corner of the world. Who knows what's in store? Stay tuned because in our upcoming videos, we'll share some of our best tips and tricks on traveling as a family.